Yana's outfit is so cute. Ara damak.
Inday, may you have a blessed married life, a family life, and may the Lord bless you with the fruits of your marriage. Cheers to Inday. Thank you.
Uwari na to dayon. Pailaylay na si Yana dayon. Dahil diri kami kikasal dayon. Dali tayo. Hari na to dyan. Ari na ikaw. Hi! Di naman ikaw. Din ka naman kalabot. Yan na. Di naman ka man. Din ka na kalabot. Anong view sa Goa? Wow! Gano ka dira mani namihan ka dad.
Smile ka karon na. Iyan na. Oo. Smile ka karon. Ha? Oo.
Na-orient. I-orient na daan.
Smile ka karon. Smile ka karon sa picture. Ayan. Dapat tubo ng magaling bungot mo. Apa-apa gali ba?
And the daddy and the mommy and tita tata. Magdup the daddy yan na para gitiday mo day. The daddy and us. Hi, ari lang kami din. Yana's outfit is so cute.
Husbands, love your wives, even as Christ loved the church and handed himself over for her.
Ay, dahil manuitan. Lulu? Hi, Lulu! Hi, Lulu! Ay, nag-change outfit kami.
Yana.
Guwapo si Mama, be.
Bala,
Smile on it.
Ang bala, Lolo. Lolo.
Naupog ka, hindi ka kakaon. Titig ka lang. Guwapo sa atin na.
Kitain naman ka mo ni Lolo.
Ano ka sa akin? Hindi ko alam.
Kaya sa ni Papa eh.
Wala siya simusawan siya.
Kadlaw lang naguro sa akin niya. No, tayo no.
Hello, choose.
May gahay man ka mo doon ni Tita Kit. Ito. Ara, dama toilet. Ara, toilet. Silawan sa ta. Yana and Daddy. Mukhang gwapa, gwapa.
Thank you so much to Ruben, our daughter, and to our lady and our gentlemen. Please keep the money safe for our daughter, and later on they will be having the.
Hello, good evening. Pressure mo sa message nito. I'm the brother of Inday Teres. No? First of all, I would like to thank sa family ni Dan, kay Tito Omar, kay Tita Elaine for raising such a good man in Dan. So, welcome to the family Dan. And we warmly welcome you. And thank you for sa family ni Dan na travel pa sa different parts of the country, of the world, to show their love and support to Inday and Dan. So thank you very much. Si Inday nakuging parts ng amon family. And personally, I would like to thank you, Dai, for all that you have done for me, for us, for our family. Thank you so much, Gid, sa iyong mga nabuli. Hindi man ta perfecto bilang pamilya. Please remember that we love you. I love you. We all love you, Dai. And to our family that are here to show their love and support to you. Really kami di Dai kapasalamat di kami. And to Inday and Dan, may you have a blessed married life, a family life, and may the Lord bless you with the fruits of your marriage. Cheers to Inday and Dan. Thank you.
Thank you so much to the brother of the bride. So